Did you ever need a keyword search bar in your dashboard? So Power BI just launched a very interesting feature called text filter, and I'm going to show you how to use it and how can you implement that into your dashboard. So come with me. Welcome, my friends. Very nice to have you here on Data Focus channel. My name is Marcus, and I want to show you an update that came in a couple of months ago from Power BI. Now they just launched actually an additional feature to that text filter visual. Okay, so in this example, let me take my face out of the way. So in this example, I have a table here with a list of products and their total sales, right? If you needed to add a filter for product name for the user to select only the products they want to see, what you would do, you would select like a list slicer, right? I don't know why it added here in the bottom. Let me bring this up. And I'm going to add product name as the field, right? And I'm going to format this to allow multiple values. There we go, okay? So you would have something like this on your left where the user can select, individual products from that list. And you can even add a search bar in here. So you can hit the three dots and select search. So you can select within the filter, right? So if I'm looking only for projectors, for example, projector. You see the filter is filtered. So the list you see here in the filter now is only showing products that have the keyword projector in them. So then you can come in here and kind of select manually, or you can even add the select all function. But that's kind of a two-step process, right, for you to get where you want. Instead of doing that, Power BI launched this text filter that allows the user to type in specific keywords for a list of products in this example, and then the table will automatically be updated to only show the products containing that keyword. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to delete this filter, this slicer. And the view we're looking for is this one called text slicer. Okay. Again, it added here at the bottom. I don't know why. And if you don't see this text slicer on your end, you probably need to enable that in the options menu. So you go into File, you go into Options and Settings, Options. I'm recording this video in January 2025, so it's still a preview feature. And you go into Preview Features, you scroll down, and there you go, Text Slicer Visual. So you need to enable that, hit OK. And if it's the first time you're doing this, Power BI will ask you to reboot Power BI. So you need to close and open it again. And then you will see in the list of visuals here. So I added this visual here, and I need to add a field that will feed that text slicer. In this case, I will use product name. So I'll just drag and drop. And now I have product name, and you see how it asks me to filter by keyword, right? So if I'm looking for projector, for example, projector, I can hit enter, and there you go. So all the list here you see on the table, it's only filtered to product names that contain the keyword projector. It's not case sensitive, right? So I typed in projector so there are projectors here with capital letters. I didn't type in with capital letters, which is great. Usually that's how you work with keyword search. The January 2025 update for Power BI came in with an additional update to this this visual that allows you to add multiple keyword search, right? So let me close this one. I'm going to select this slicer. I'm going to go into the Format tab, and under Slicer Settings, you have this option to accept multiple values, right? So if you turn that on and you type in that same example projector, right? Now you're allowed to add in another keyword search, right? Keyword terms. So if I want to add LCD, for example, you see, so it's filtering for all the keywords you're typing in. So if you remove some specific keywords with the X buttons, you see it's a very interactive option for the user. So it allows your dashboard to be much more interactive, dynamic. So it brings in that that smooth flow, or that smooth experience for the user, right? So it makes your dashboard much more engaging, right? Of course, there are situations where you want to use the list slicer where the user will only select individual values, right? There are use cases for both slicers, but in this case, we're going to have like a huge list of names or products or cities, I don't know, and you want to add just a keyword search, this is your guide, right? This update came in a couple of months ago, but now they added this new feature where you're allowed to add multiple keywords in the same box, which is great, right? I'm already starting to use this in my dashboards, and it feels great. So I invite you to try it out, right? If you feel like you're stuck on anything, just leave your comments below. Happy to help with anything. And please leave your thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in your next video.